Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi. If you forgot who I am, I'm Sophie. And now I live in a care home. This is a whole new background, whole new setup now. I moved house out to my parents' home for the first time. So today's also going to be a busy day. I need to finish tidying my room. Finish tidying my room. I have to sign more paperwork. And I have a phone call with Universal Credit people. Great. This video will probably take all day. I think I'm just gonna do, I think it's a makeup tutorial today. Not really a tutorial, but I'm gonna do my makeup for the first time in months. Also, I don't know if this works here. This is on my windowsill or there on my desk. I'm not sure yet. I need to figure it out. Let's get to it. Okay, one of my favourite things is in my room. I have a sink. I share a bathroom with 5 other guys. I'm the only lady here. Share a house with 5 guys. Yeah, I don't mind though. Oh, like a little knobhead. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna use this. This is a W7 moisturiser. I hope everybody's doing okay. The COVID situation going on, that's absolutely crazy. When me and my parents got here on Monday, we all had to do a COVID test, and it all was negative anyway, so that was good. I've been really busy, recently with the new move. I was in a crisis house for 2 weeks. Really awful for my mental health, really. In and out of hospitals, and then this. I'm staying in this care home for 2 years. And then others I hopefully go to supported living, or somewhere like this but with less support. And then I can get my own place then, hopefully. I'm also filming another video which is my room tour. Not my room, yeah, kind of like my room tour slash unpacking with me. This is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. I got this mirror for Christmas. It's the Zoeva, just little travel mirror, really. I can't be too loud because, you know, I think people are still asleep. I know that they're still asleep, but I woke up like at 6 because I was just so cold. Like, oh my god, I went downstairs to have my tablets and someone was just eating spaghetti at like 7 in the morning. That's so funny. I just powdered using the Fenty loose powder, and I'm going to contour my face. I've absolutely been loving the Dior contour palette in light medium. Absolutely love this. It's quite expensive, but I think it's worth the money. I absolutely love this shade right here. But I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics contour palette because I haven't used this in a while and I kind of like it. Now for blush, I'm going to use a mixture of the Lottie London blush brush in the shade Sack, and then Poundland blush in shade Soft Blush 1. So I don't know what I should use today. I think I could use the Blood Money palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics as a new palette I brought, and I haven't really dived in properly, so I could just use that one for today. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use Pink Honey's Wonder Wax. So here's like a little spoolie. I love the smell. It smells like lemon cookies. Now for the eyeshadow. For the transition, I absolutely love this palette. It's now 3 hours later. I just came back from the toilet and I'm hearing it. Can you hear it? I literally thought it was someone was headbanging, so I was like, oh my god, I hope they're okay. And then I heard some beats dropping and like, boom, boom, boom. Oh, that was like... Right, back where I left off 3 hours ago. Didn't know it'd be that long, but you know, moves into a cam. I need to tell loads of forums. Okay, so I finished the eyeshadow / liner. Now for highlight, taking Jeffree Star's Extreme Frost highlighter in the shade Gang Me. I haven't used this highlighter yet. Oh, that is cool. I love her. I absolutely recommend these three. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Strict, Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade Sunny Side, and the Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Crushed Grapes. Urban Decay Lash Freak Mascara. I don't like this mascara, but I'm going to use it because I do need to use it up. Otherwise I just won't use it. Otherwise, the brush looks so weird. It's just very clumpy. It's just, I don't know if you guys like it. Have you tried it? And if so, do you like it? I have now finished my look. It's now nearly 3 o'clock. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I don't know when this video will be out. Hopefully this week, fingers crossed. Although I want the room tour upbeat first. I don't know, either makeup tutorial or the room tour. I hope you liked this video. I'm so sorry I haven't been really active. Like I said, I just moved into a care home. Even moving house is just, you know. Yeah, I hope you're all okay, especially with the COVID situation going on. All stay safe, wear your mask, keep your distance, hands sanitize. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment below what you want next time. Bye bye.